Hey guys, Moto Yosh here, bringing you another review. Today I'll be reviewing the Insignia Switch Dock Kit that I picked up at Best Buy. With the ease of the portability of the Switch, I wanted the ability to move the console to a different room while my wife was hogging my theater room TV. While doing research online, I found that not all Switch docks were created the same. I searched all over Amazon and found some very portable adapters that plugged into the USB-C at the bottom of the Switch, but it required the unit to lay down and potentially block the air intake, which I didn't really like the idea of. There are also issues of specific display protocols Nintendo uses causing some USB display adapters to not work correctly. The only guaranteed working dock seemed like Nintendo's own, but for $90, I didn't think it was worth it. I did a little bit more looking outside of Amazon, and at Best Buy, Insignia created a dock that also came with a power adapter and HDMI cable. For a reasonable price, basically a little bit more than a Nintendo branded power adapter, I figured I'd take a shot with this dock. My two fears reading the reviews of this dock were that the glass screen protector on a Switch was too tight of a fit, and also that this dock was too laggy. I'm happy to say that both of these fears were squashed upon the first 5 minutes of gaming. The fit of the unit is a little bit tight, but not so tight that I'm concerned that it might crack the screen or damage my glass screen protector. As for the lag, you can see in the sample of Zelda, there is zero lag between when I push the button for jump and when Link is actually jumping. For those of you looking for a budget dock, I highly suggest you take a look at this Insignia Switch Dock Kit. For the money, you can't beat what you're getting: an extra power cable, HDMI cable, and a smaller, more portable dock if you're on the go like me. As always, thanks for watching and happy shopping.